Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Microsoft account and enabling Microsoft Rewards. This lets your searches earn points you can redeem. Once signed in, make Bing your default search engine so every query counts. You should verify your rewards dashboard to confirm progress and any daily sets. These boost points faster. Do the essential toggles now and perform routine searches. This establishes the point-earning baseline, so future redemptions for Roblox become possible. Next, focus on the middle steps that actually grow your balance. Complete daily sets and quizzes, and hit the search caps on both PC and mobile to claim full points. Use Microsoft Edge when possible, because it often grants extra bonuses, and check the rewards dashboard for shopping or promo boosts that multiply points. Keep a weekly streak going to unlock higher tiers. By combining searches, activities, and browser bonuses, you accelerate toward enough points for a Roblox gift card. Finally, redeem your accumulated points for a Roblox gift card or Robux redemption option available in the rewards catalog. Choose the denomination that matches the Robux price you want. Once redeemed, follow the delivery method, code via email or account credit, and apply it on Roblox. If something goes wrong, make sure your Microsoft account region matches the redemption region, confirm your email, and verify your rewards balance. Contact support only after checking those basics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.